So I can go and use this to mount that. You still got supposed to.
We can only go straight, so.
Yeah.
We want to just.
You want to turn around and go that way?
Yeah.
Did you get the name?
I did on that side. Down there, there's a lever. Can you pull that?
Hi, baby. What? Why are you mad? Where are you going? Hi, big boy.
So what's going on?
Oh, wait. Go ahead.
Steve, did you have more Velcro?
Yes. Somewhere.
Oh.
There was a little strip that we just pulled off. Is he okay? Blinking red.
We had his AFOs on, we took them off.
Did you find it?
Although I should have them on now that we're moving.
Thought we had a little strip left where you were cutting off
Yeah.
I'm frantically looking.
We cut that bone to give him because his feet just breaks this bone.
I see you. Look at you.
And that's their cover because the cover that came in it just made it a hammock, and so his legs were going into it. Whoa, buddy! Look at you go! Good job,
There's a little
Carter.
thin strip somewhere
Keep going.
of the saw
Come on.
that we pulled off of that
Good
flap.
job.
Take a piece off the bottom of the tray.
Look at you
Yeah, we
going.
can do that.
You drive it. Uh-oh. Stop. Go.
Put your hand.
Go. Move your hand. Go. Yay. Can you stop?
Good job.
We gotta turn around. We gotta turn around.
Good job, big boy.
Where are you going? Are you gonna go back the other way? Kind of long in the back.
It's very long.
It's very long.
Uh-huh. But it's gonna hold everything. And
It's
that's
going
what's
to.
important.
You get forward out of the way of that box.
I can do that too. Do we want to start as far back as
Yeah, that's
possible?
Get some.
Okay, buddy. You gonna do this one?
Yes.
Okay, buddy.
Good job.
Go.
Look at you. Hi, come here.
Oh, it's turning. We're doing good. What happened? Okay, I know you're trying to turn it all the way over that wrist to get that to move, aren't you?
See, if I'm gonna look in your van, I can't find anything else. Any of the.
I
Okay.
see you.
Thought we had a small piece of it.
Go.
You want to hold this? I'll look real
Yeah.
quick. Just let him drop anything. Oh, just cut
Come here, buddy. You want a suction, Brandy, quick? I see.